Let me show you how to CNC apart from imagination. I needed a Polaroid frame for this amazing fella, but I'm not creative and cannot sculpt a beautiful frame. Let me show you how I used Makera's Makerables AI Assistants to bring to life this idea, cutting back hours of sculpting for a simple project. Makerables is going public soon, and with its amazing AI craft assistants, you can start any CNC project immediately with zero modeling or sculpting experience. If you have an idea, just click Image Generation. After selecting your dimensions, select your style and give it a prompt. And there you have it, a picture frame. After you have your image generation, you can go to relief generation and create that 3D model. Makera's Makerables AI Assistant can make much more. It's that easy. Now that I have a 3D picture frame, I can easily chunk it into Makera's CAM and run this.